Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Installing Python Libraries on Linux, a comprehensive guide with code examples. Introduction. Python's vast ecosystem is powered by a rich collection of libraries that enhance its capabilities. Installing these libraries on Linux is a straightforward process, thanks to package managers like pip. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the steps of installing Python libraries on a Linux system with practical code examples. Requirements. Step 1. Install pip. Pip is the default package manager for Python, and it simplifies the process of installing and managing Python libraries. If you don't have pip installed, you can do so by using your system's package manager. For Debian/Ubuntu-based systems. For Red Hat/CentOS-based systems. Step 2. Upgrade pip, optional but recommended. It's a good practice to upgrade pip to the latest version before installing any Python libraries. Step 3. Install Python libraries. Now, you can install Python libraries using the pip command. For example, let's install the popular library requests. Replace requests with the name of the library you want to install. If the library has dependencies, pip will automatically resolve and install them. Step 4. Virtual environments, optional but recommended. Virtual environments are isolated environments that allow you to manage dependencies for different projects. Create a virtual environment using the following commands. To deactivate the virtual environment when you're done. Conclusion. Installing Python libraries on Linux is a straightforward process using the pip package manager. Make sure to use virtual environments to isolate project dependencies, ensuring a clean and organized development environment. This tutorial provides a foundation for managing Python libraries on your Linux system, allowing you to explore and utilize the vast Python ecosystem. ChatGPT.